Nothing interesting today. Really didn't have to do no diagnosis on this dehumidifier unit. The motor went out, and this is actually from another unit that's being scavenged, that was taken down because it got replaced with a more modern, bigger unit. And so since this motor was just replaced several months ago, as you can see from the date up there, and the new cap and everything like that, I just took it out of the dead unit that was tossed to the side on the floor and pulled this one out, and it didn't need no diagnosis, didn't need a voltmeter or anything. When you opened this door, it smelled like burnt plastic, burnt motor, burnt windings. And when you looked inside, you see the yellow on the motor, well, the wrappings and all the, you see the copper, everything was black and burnt. And so no diagnostics needed, and so just a straight R&R, nothing complicated. Let's get down here, and I'm just smelling flowers. That's about all I'm doing here. These were let's see, I think 6 ton, 8 ton, 6 ton, or was it 8 ton, 6 ton, 8 ton? I can't remember. But these are the LG units I installed about, I don't know, 6 years, 8 years ago. I can't even remember how long it's been now. That's all these are here. Nothing to do on them, other than we are going to do some modifications. I was doing some work on this one. We might update and modify the middle unit to also have heat recovery on it. Right now, only one unit has heat recovery, but I might add heat recovery to a second unit for redundant backup. That might be in the future for this place. So this guy's gonna get some upgrades here. And yeah, this was a 700 pint unit. These things leak, unfortunately. These early models leaked like a sieve. They always leaked air. The manufacturer had problems with them. They said they were great. They turned out to be a lot of headaches. They worked when they worked, but when they didn't work and didn't do what they say, they were a bitch. So just some straight up ass wiring, 3 wires, 4 wires, a black, a yellow, a red, and a ground. Nothing complicated. And yes, I'm in one of the city's cannabis facilities. As you can see, that's the humidifier to actually add humidity when needed. And so that's what that's doing now. As fast as that water is coming out, it's just like disappearing into the dry air and turning into like a gas. It's just basically humidifying the air. That's why it's disappearing. It's coming out in a big stream, and it gets about 8 or 10 feet, and it just literally disappears into the air to humidify the room. What else can I say? Well, that's about it on this one. A quick in and out, and swap out a motor. Catch you guys later.